A genius breakfast trick I learned from an Italian friend, and now I can't stop making it. Add 4 slices of bread to a medium bowl with 1 cup of water, then squeeze and drain the excess. You can turn it into one of the easiest breakfast ideas ever. Add 3 whole eggs and separate the yolks like I'm doing here. We'll use them in just a bit. Now add half of a red bell pepper, chopped into small cubes, half of a yellow bell pepper, and half of a green bell pepper. Add half a medium onion, parsley to taste, 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then mix everything very well until fully combined. The colors alone make it look delicious already. Take this time to share this video, and write in the comments where you're watching from. I'll be there leaving hearts, especially for you. In a skillet over low heat, drizzle a little olive oil. Add the mix in 3 portions of about 2 tablespoons each, and shape them into patties. Top each one with a yolk, cover the skillet, and let them cook gently for about 10 minutes. Be sure to keep an eye on them so the yolks don't overcook. That's it.